Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about the concept of brain death in forensic medicine. This is a concise presentation for medical students. Brain death means complete loss of brain function. Now let us see about the components of brain death. Deep unconsciousness, no movements, no spontaneous breathing, stoppage of spontaneous cardiac rhythm, no reflexes, bilateral dilatation and fixation of pupils, and flat EEG are the various components of brain death. Now let us see about the conditions that need to be satisfied for declaring brain death. All the components of brain death should be present at least for 24 hours. The body temperature is not below 32 degrees Celsius, and there should be no metabolic and endocrine disturbances. Now let us see about the medical legal importance of brain death. The concept of brain death is useful for transplantation of organs. Cornea can be removed from dead body within 6 hours. Skin should be removed within 24 hours. Bone within 48 hours. Blood vessels within 72 hours. Kidneys, heart, lungs and liver must be removed soon after stoppage of circulation. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my forensic medicine playlist. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.